Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to press subscribe button. February 2020 Aries Horoscope predicts a wonderful month for Aries people. There will be splendid growth and accomplishments. The planetary impetus is very strong, which will help you to succeed. Be ready to face a hectic month full of activity. Planetary positions are concentrated in the upper half of the chart. Hence, professional matters along with external goals will keep you occupied. It is time to make future plans after analyzing past activities. Aries personality should learn from the past and make course corrections where necessary. More than 70% of the planets are in the eastern half of the horoscope. As per astrology 2020 predictions, you can have things as per your will. No need to compromise or adapt to people and situations. If you are thinking of starting new ventures, the time is auspicious. Aries love and relationship horoscope. Aries compatibility will be fantastic this month because of the positive aspects of Venus. After the 8th, romantic feelings for your spouse will be intense. Time to forget about career problems and enjoy. Personal magnetism will be splendid, and you can enhance it with the way you dress and look. Singles will have many good prospects for making love partnerships. But these are more for fun than for real love. Aries family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope forecasts are not encouraging for domestic issues. There will be conflicts and disagreements between family members throughout the month. This will have an adverse effect on children, and you should handle them with care. There will be a problem with outsiders, and you have to deal with these problems sternly during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. Aries health predictions. February Aries 2020 horoscope predictions indicate a good month on the health front. Chronic ailments will be under control. However, proper medical attention is vital. Good health will naturally make you more positive and cheerful. Aries career horoscope 2020 Aries horoscope promises to be a wonderful month for career-oriented people. Planetary aspects help you to attain your targets with the cooperation of your colleagues and seniors. There will be plenty of travel for professional or business purposes. They will yield good results. Aries finance horoscope 2020 monthly forecast for Aries suggests that Venus is helpful for financial ventures. You will have no problem achieving financial targets. Business opportunities will be enormous. Money can be made through the stock market and speculations. Income from a windfall is likely. Aries education horoscope February astrology 2020 for Aries sun sign does not foresee a good month for academic purposes. The final results will be below par. Technical students will have to struggle hard to achieve positive results. People appearing for competitive exams require additional instructions to get through. On the other hand, people pursuing various crafts and skillful trades will excel in their courses. Aries travel horoscope February 2020 horoscope for Aries star sign appears to be good for business and professional travel. Travel for pleasure may not be that pleasant. Foreign travel is also likely during the month.